Hello guys. Now next practice question is calculate area of a circle. So to calculate area of circle there is formula. The formula is pi r square. Pi into r square. R square means r into r. So we have to implement this formula. Pi into r. So here we need radius value and pi value. All of us know that pi value is 3.14, and then here r, that is radius, we have to take from the user. So how to do this? So I will take here one variable r, radius we will take. So radius I will take. So radius, it can be float also. It is not compulsory. It will be always integer. So I will take here float function. So when I am taking input from user, I will convert it into float. And here I will give one prompt message to user. Enter radius of a circle. Now I got circle radius. Now next I want to do, I want to implement this formula. So for this I will take one variable pi is equal to 3.14. This is pi value. Now area of circle. So formula is pi into r. So how to implement it here? So I will take here pi into radius, whatever the value in radius variable I will take here, into radius. Okay. Now I got area of circle. So here if we write steps, what I have done here, first take radius from user. Okay. Then next is calculate area. Then once area is calculated, we will show result on the console. Show result. These are the three steps. These are the three main steps in our program. So how to show this? So I will use here print. So you can use f string also. So I will take here. So area of circle with radius. So I will use here replacement operator. Use here radius. So radius is the, so here this variable value will come. Radius is, so I will take here area, this variable, our area is contained in this variable. So I will save this program, and if I run this, so I will give here value of circle radius as 2. So it is giving me 12.56. Okay. So I will update some. So if I run this, now I will give 5. So it is giving me area of circle with radius 5 is 78.5. So why here we are getting 5.0, as we have entered 5, still we are getting 5.0, because whenever we are taking value from user and that value we are converting into float, because of that we are getting there 5.0. It is not compulsory radius will always be in integer, because of that we have taken float. If I run it again and if I give here value 8.2, so it is giving 8.2 is, so radius, area of circle with radius 8.2 is this. So in this way you can calculate area of circle. So to implement this, to calculate this area of circle, we have to use this formula. and here we have implemented this formula. So in this way you can calculate the area of circle. Thanks for watching the video.